guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Felista Story. Please subscribe if you haven't already and press the bell icon to join us. I'm going to show an amazing tutorial about a boob tape. So a boob tape, it's just a tape which gives you an instant breast lift. You might have some clothes in your closet that you're not finding the right bra to wear it with, so this is where this tape comes in handy. So I got mine from Boob Tape Kenya. And this is how it looks like. I've already used it like thrice, that's why it looks way smaller. So it starts from 5 meters and it comes in different sizes and colors. It depends with your preference, but it doesn't really matter whether you get the small or the big size, because they both work the same. The boob tape is 95% cotton, it's 5% spandex, and the glue is acrylic. The features, it's breathable, that's true. It's stretched up to 180%. It's similar to human skin. Yeah, that's also true. It's latex free, it's hypoallergenic, it's sweat resistant, and it's painless to remove. Yeah, that is so true. I was scared at first because I thought maybe it's painful, but it's not. Also need the nipple covers, and it was 150 Kenyan shillings each, and the boob tape was 800 Kenyan shillings. Yeah, and they pack it nicely, and they leave you a note that thank you for shopping with us. Yeah, and lastly, you also need a pair of scissors. Caution: do not apply to sensitive skins. Please start testing on a small skin surface and stop using the product if any irritation or redness occurs. Yeah, for me, I used it and it's perfect on my skin, so I'm good to go. They also show you a guideline on how you can use it, but anyway, it doesn't hurt to see a tutorial, because for me, the first time I did it wrongly. I was wondering, why am I not having that perfect cleavage? So I'm just going to show you different styles on how you can use them to rock different outfits. Also, the trick is don't be afraid to use as much of the tape as you need. Just use enough of it to hold it tight. Let me show you.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, I let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? I gave you my heart and you tore it apart. Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low.
I've been thinking about your smile. I've been thinking that I can't let you go. Hey, can you wait a little while? Why we're holding back, I don't know. I guess I'm all confused about you. You're my one temptation, yeah. I don't know why I pretend to, that I ever come back again. Telling myself that it's okay, okay. 'Cause every pleasure's got an inch of pain. Maybe I'm indifferent, maybe I'm not thinking straight. I know I shouldn't play this game. Maybe I'm indifferent, maybe I'm not thinking straight.
I'm tongue-tied, twisted around your finger like a piece of string. I'm winded, chasing after your ghost is real exhausting. I'm in love, but I don't think it's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be we never had that kiss? Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Get like it.
So you've come to the end of our video. You can choose to do one of the styles that I showed you depending on the outfit that you're wearing, and you're also free to research other styles. Yeah, so but if you find this video helpful and you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe, share, and also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any future updates. Yeah, and be safe until next time. Bye.